Imagine driving a car that feels less like a basic ride and more like a high-tech spaceship. What if you could upgrade your entire driving experience overnight without spending thousands? Today, we are looking at 12 unbelievable gadgets that will completely transform your ride. Hit that subscribe button because things are about to get wild. All product links in description below. Ever wished you could blast away years of stubborn dirt in mere seconds? Cleaning your car's interior usually means hours of scrubbing sticky cup holders and dusty vents. Meet the Hi-Tech Vortex Cleaning Gun. This pneumatic powerhouse uses high-velocity cyclonic technology to blast air and cleaner deep into tight crevices. Running at 90 psi, its aluminum alloy core creates a massive tornado effect that lifts grime instantly from carpets and dashboards. It turns detail day into pure satisfaction. Once you try it, you'll never go back. But that's only the beginning. Picture this. You're merging on the highway during a torrential downpour, and your side mirrors are completely blurred by water. This genius invention solves that nightmare instantly. It combines an aerodynamic rain shield with an adjustable 360-degree blind spot mirror. The tough, flexible PVC shield blocks raindrops perfectly, while the high-definition glass expands your view by a massive 40%. It gives you rock-solid confidence in terrible weather. This changes everything. It gets even better. What if you get lost off the grid with zero cellular signal and no way to track your vehicle? This futuristic device ensures you never lose your bearings or your peace of mind. It's a heavy-duty Sino-Track alarm compass featuring real-time GPS tracking and a classic precision compass dial. The built-in vibration sensor triggers a loud anti-theft alert, while the digital display tracks your heading accurately. It keeps your rig completely safe in the wilderness. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you thought that was impressive, check this out. Imagine a dashboard warning light popping up right before a long, expensive road trip. Instead of paying a mechanic a fortune just to read a code, this tiny gadget puts professional power in your pocket. The MuCar OBD2 Bluetooth scanner plugs directly into your dashboard and beams full system diagnostics straight to your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.0. It reads error codes instantly and resets oil lights across 115 car brands. It completely transforms the ownership experience. The next gadget is on another level. Ever noticed how messy your truck's bench seat gets with drinks, loose change, and charging cords sliding everywhere? This premium upgrade restores absolute order to your cabin. The Coverado Bench Seat Center console acts as a tactical storage hub crafted from ultra-durable, waterproof faux leather. It features deep, dual cup holders, a massive hidden storage compartment, and secure anchoring straps to keep it rock solid. Your old setup will never feel the same again. Now things get really interesting. What if you could reprogram your car's computer and perform deep advanced maintenance right from your garage? This next-level device is a total game-changer for DIY enthusiasts. The X-Tool diagnostic scanner features a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen running a blazing fast processor. It handles bidirectional control, ECU coding, and 30-plus reset functions with absolute ease. Made from rugged, drop-proof housing, it gives you factory-level control over your vehicle. It completely transforms the experience. But wait until you see this. Picture stepping into your car at night and being greeted by a drab, dark interior that feels totally uninspired. This genius upgrade injects instant energy into your daily commute. The CarPass LED seat covers feature integrated, vibrant light strips controlled directly by your phone. Made from breathable, premium mesh fabric, they offer thick memory foam padding and seamless airbag compatibility. They turn a boring ride into a luxury lounge. This changes everything. It gets even better. Ever tapped your garage wall because it's just too hard to judge the distance in the dark? This smart device fixes that annoying garage anxiety forever. The STKR Concepts Adjustable Parking Sensor Aid uses ultrasonic technology to track your bumper accurately. As you pull in, the wall-mounted traffic light changes from green to yellow, then turns red right at your perfect stop zone. It mounts effortlessly in minutes. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you thought that was impressive, watch this. Driving around with a cracked, shaky, or manual side mirror makes your entire vehicle look aged and unsafe. This premium replacement restores your view to factory perfection. The A Premium Door Mirror Assembly features built-in power adjustment, heated glass to melt winter ice, and an integrated turn signal indicator. Designed to match exact OEM dimensions, it bolts on seamlessly with rock-solid stability. Once you try it, you'll never go back. The next gadget is on another level. Imagine getting a stunning, deep showroom shine without spending hours waxing and buffing your paint. This advanced formula creates an incredible mirror finish in just minutes. Shine Armor Car Wash. Spray uses an advanced ceramic coating formula to repel water, dirt, and UV rays instantly. Just spray it on and wipe it off to create a hydrophobic barrier that lasts for months. It keeps your car looking luxury clean. This changes everything. Now things get really interesting. Ever hate the daily hassle of fumbling with tangled USB cables just to get your navigation running on your screen? This tiny powerhouse cuts the cords forever. The wireless CarPlay Adapter by CarEase converts your wired infotainment system to full wireless in under 15 seconds. Running on a fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi module, it delivers lag-free audio and crystal-clear maps seamlessly. Your old setup will never feel the same again. Finally, we have something special. Picture your elbow resting on a hard, worn-out plastic factory console during a brutal 3-hour commute. This final upgrade brings pure comfort back to your drive. The Coverado Car Center console cover features high-density memory foam wrapped in premium, scratch-resistant vegan leather. It protects your original interior from pet claws while providing ergonomic support that reduces driving fatigue instantly. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Which one of these incredible car gadgets was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Nexvora for more mind-blowing tech discoveries. Drive safe, and we will see you in the next video.